Hello everyone, today we are going to make the half double crochet foundation row. Now you would use this foundation row instead of a chain, particularly for garments, because it offers a really beautifully neat edge and it also offers some stretch. Sometimes when you just use a chain, they can be very tight and don't have any give, and that often isn't good for our garments. We're going to start off with our yarn end in our right hand, making a loop around the left, pulling that loop up with your hook, and then you have a movable slip knot. We're going to chain 2, 1 and 2. Now remembering while making this foundation row that you need to keep your chains a little more loose than normal, because if you do them tightly, the foundation row can either curl or curve, and we don't want that, do we? So we're going to work into this first chain here and go under 2 of the little legs, yarning over, popping your hook under 1 and under 2, and there you can see you've got 4 loops on your hook. If you do this, that's the back, and you've got 3. So now we need to yarn over again and pull through those 2 legs on the left. Now we're going to make our chain with the loop on the left and our half double crochets with the loops on the right. So yarning over, pulling through the loop on the left, that's making your chain. Yarn over, pulling through all 3 loops on the right, and that's your half double crochet. Yarning over, now we're going to pop our hook down behind the 2 legs of the chain on the left hand side, pulling up a loop and pull through those 2 loops. Now we've got 3 on the hook again. We're going to yarn over and pull through 1, and that's your chain. Yarn over, pull through 3, and that's your half double crochet. Yarning over, popping your hook behind those 2 legs of the chain. I'll just show you here. Yarn over, pulling through. Yarn over, pull through 1 on the left, and that is your chain. Yarn over, pull through all 3 on the right, and that's your half double crochet. Let's keep on going so we can see how your work looks. Yarning over, popping your hook down behind the 2 legs of the chain, pulling up your loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop on the left. Yarn over, pull through the loops on your right. Yarn over, popping your hook behind the 2 legs of the chain, pulling up your loop. I extend that loop a little bit as I do pull it up. Yarn over, pull through the loop on the left, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the right. Yarning over, hook down behind those 2 chain legs, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through the loop on the left, yarn over, pull through the 3 loops on the right. And here you can see that your half double crochet foundation is beginning to form, and it looks so neat too. Let's go a little further. Yarning over, popping your hook behind the chain, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 3, yarning over, hook behind your chain, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through the left hand loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 on the right. Yarning over, popping your hook behind the chain, pulling up your loop, yarn over, pull through the loop on the left, yarn over, pull through the 3 loops on the right. I'm really happy with how it's looking, and see how it has some stretch as well. Yarning over, popping your hook behind the chain on the left, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through the loop on the left, yarn over, pull through all 3 on the right, yarning over, going in behind the chain, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through the left, yarn over, pull through the right, yarning over, hook behind the chain, pull up your loop, yarn over, pull through the loop on the left, yarn over, pull through the 3 on the right, yarn over, in behind the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 3. And there we have our half double crochet foundation row. It offers a lovely neat beginning and some elasticity and stretch that a chain does not have to offer. Let's just do a few more and then you'll be done. So yarning over, popping your hook behind your chain, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through the loop on the left, yarn over, pull through the remaining 3. Yarn over, hook behind the chain, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 3. Yarn over, popping your hook behind the chain, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through the 1 on the left, yarn over, pull through 3 on the right. One more. Yarn over, hook underneath the chain, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, which is your chain, pull through 3, which is your half double crochet. And that is looking great. I'm super happy with how that's turned out. So it's quite easy once you know how, and I hope that you will enjoy using this technique for many years to come. All right, I will see you very soon to do the double crochet foundation row. Until then, bye for now.